Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. Today I'm gonna show you how to get NDBI value from satellite imagery data. First, what is NDBI? NDBI or Normalized Difference Built-up Index is a parameter used to detect built-up area and differentiate them from the vegetation and water. It is calculated using the reflectance value of NIR bands and SWIR bands from satellite imagery. So you can use from data from like Sentinel or Landsat or other satellite data that's provide for the reflectance bands. So you can choose which one you can. And uh, what is the range of NDBI? The range value of NDBI is from -1 until 1. Negative value is indicate the non-build-up area, and positive value indicate the build-up area like roads, building, and concentrate surface. Value near to 1 or close to 1 indicate the high concentrates of build-up feature in the area. And NDVI is used in remote sensing to map and analyze urban areas. You can track urban expansion with these indices, and you can assess the relationship, for example, between the building density with the LSC. So many you can do with these indices. Especially, it's related to if you want to do the monitoring related to the build-up area. Today, for example, I will use data from Landsat data. Why I use Landsat data? Because if you want to use or if you want to do the monitorings in urban area, Landsat data it's provides you data from 1972 until now, so it's a long time periods you can do the monitorings. But if you want to use data with the high spatial resolutions like Sentinel or other data, you can use. So here you can see that Landsat provide us data from 1972 until now. But today I'm gonna show how to use with the Landsat 8 because I want to use data in 2024. So first, you should go to the platform, log in and go to the platform and go to code editor and write your code here. Today I'm gonna use my ROI from my country, Indonesia, Jakarta. I will draw with rectangle here, for example, and make it a center object. Zoom 10 and then go to the data set. Here you can click on Landsat Edge and use the surface reflectance. So here you can, if you want to know about this data, you can read detail in the descriptions menu. Here the spatial resolution is 30. So we will use the SWIR band number 6 and NIR bands. And the formula of NDBI is sphere minus NIR divided sphere plus NIR. So we will apply it in our code. Make other variables, for example, data set, and copy the snippet of the Landsat 8 here. And filter with your date and filter bounds with your ROI. So here I will use data from 2024. So the range is from January 2024 until 2025, January 1st. And filter bound with my ROI here. And this one is for the cloud cover. I use less than 10%. So if you want to know how many data sets that you have in this time, just run print your data set and run it. So here you can see that how many data sets you have. Here I have 3 data sets. If you want to know the detail about your data sets, just go here, picture, these 3 data sets. The bands is 19 bands, surface reflectance and thermal bands, or optical and thermal bands. And if you want to know about the properties, you can find here. That's about the data. And after that, you can do the radiometric corrections with apply the scale factor with the image. The scale factor is you multiply with the scale and add with the offset. So with this value. First, I want to get the median value from these 3 data sets, and then apply the radiometric corrections with this value, and click with my ROI. Run it. Okay, there is no problem here. The next step is apply the NDBI. How to calculate it? Uh, we know that NDBI is sphere minus NIR, and divided with sphere plus NIR. From Landsat 8, we can see in the descriptions which one is NIR band and which one is sphere band. Sphere band is band number 6 and NIR band is band number 5. So in our code, just write your band here. Number 6 for sphere and number 5 for NIR. Rename it with NDBI. And after that, just add it to the layer. So your NDBI value or NDBI map will showing. Run it. Okay, now you have the map. Okay, make it a visualization more better. So here you can see that the build-up area it's showing bright, and non-build-up area it's showing dark. You can compare it with the satellite imagery because it's in 2024, so it's not too much difference. Just make the opacities. Okay, here you can see the bright value is showing the build-up area. If you want to know the value of the NDBI, just go to inspector and click here. This one is for the build up area, you can see the value is a positive value, but in the dark side, you can see here is vegetation area is negative value. Okay, click here, it's positive value. So positive value indicate the build up area, and negative value indicate the non build up area. So with this in this indices, you can make a map for the build up area, or even do the monitoring for the or track the urban expansions. Okay, that's from me today. I hope you learned something from these tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will put this code in my description, YouTube description. Thank you very much.